Hey guys, woo! So today is an amazing day. As you can see, I'm already ready because I have to go somewhere. I'm traveling, and so I don't want to be late. You do it quickly. As you can see, I really have to go in 5 minutes and I'm still not ready. So I took a lot of things. I will meet someone I really love and I'm so excited about that. I want to show you everything, so that I really have to finish my luggage. As you can see, I still have a lot of things around me. So see you in 3 minutes. How long is it?
19 minutes.
19 minutes, okay, it's fine. Okay. So as you can see, I am on the Uber now. I'm going somewhere. So that will be so excited because I don't want to tell you anything. That is will be the big surprise. So just let's go for it. Yes, you have to wait. You have to be patient. So if you follow me on Instagram, you should know that 3 days ago my grandfather died, and it was so difficult for me at this time. I couldn't do any Instagram story. I just decided to think about my life, about the thing I really want to accomplish before going somewhere. and I just realized that life is short. And this year in 2020, I just want to do the thing I love. I don't want to be in the place where I won't be happy. I don't want to be with people that make me angry. So I really want to be like in the nice atmosphere, if I can say that, and do the thing I really want to. I really want to do. I think as everyone, I have like some dreams. And I wrote down all the dreams, all the vision, all the things I want to do before dying. And I think 2020 is my year because it's a new beginning. I decided to do new things. I decided to do this challenge. So as you know, I'm doing 20 days challenge. So every day of my life, I just vlog about my life, actually, my fashion, my trip, the thing I love, the thing I don't love. And I'm just so happy because I have already like 3 people who really support me. I'm really grateful for it, because now in this world I just noticed that even me, I'm not perfect, but most of the time you are really selfish and you don't want just to do the thing for ourselves, and you don't want to do the thing for other people. And when I just seen like this love and this kind people around me who really want to push me to go to the top and push me to do the things I really want to do in my life, that makes me happy. It's makes me happy. So this trip will be excited. I don't want to say more because I already told you that I will meet someone I really love. That is a big thing. I'm going to start a new beginning. Look at the people outside. Most of them wearing black clothes all the time, and it was exactly the same for me. I didn't know how to mash colors together, but I just decided to change and be different. So if you want this year to try something new, if you want this year to be colorful, just do it. You have just to start. It's not difficult. So as I told you, it's a surprise. I won't tell you anything in this vlog. You have to wait tomorrow, and tomorrow I will share with you where I am, what is this fabulous person that I will meet today. Actually someone I really love. I'm sure I will cry when I will see him. I will cry. I can start to cry now. Because I just believe it's a miracle. It's a miracle. You know, sometimes when you want something in your life, you really want to have this thing, and when you look at your circumstances, it's impossible because of the money, because of like anything, a lot of circumstances. And now when you have the possibility to see or to do the thing you really want to do, you were like, wow, it's a miracle. And actually today is actually a miracle. And so just wait until tomorrow. I will show you every single thing, every single moment of my beautiful life. So bye bye, and thank you so much for all your support, for your love, for your lovely comment. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Have a happy day. Have a OHLALA day, and do the thing you love this year. Wake up and do the thing you love. Bye bye.